everybody, Coulter Brown here from the Northern Ag Network. We're coming to you from the Mate Show in Billings. Great to see a lot of producers here, getting to hear what's new in the ag world. Certainly a lot of businesses here that serve farmers and ranchers. One of those is Nutrilix, and I'm joined here by J.D. Steen. And J.D., what are you hearing from producers? You know, I suppose before the last 2 days here, had to be a pretty easy calving season for most of them.
Well, I tell you what, it's if you look out your picture window, it's kind of a roller coaster right now. Obviously, a lot of different, we were 40 below not too long ago, and then it was pretty nice out in the 50s, and now it's snowing again. So it's really putting those cows through a lot. What an important time to supplement these cattle for sure.
You bet, especially with the where these prices are and where they could go. There's more dollars on the table than there ever have been. So talk about that importance of supplementation.
Absolutely. Well, a lot of times, calving, they say a third to, the requirements go up by that. But honestly, when the weather's swinging like this, it goes up quite a bit, substantially more than that. So what an important time to make sure that we're giving these cattle everything they need, meeting their nutrient requirements. Obviously, the daily rate of gain on a dead calf is not very good. So the more pounds of beef we get to town, the more profitable they are. Obviously, the less dead calves, less scours, things like that. What a great product for that. We have a lot of additives that we can put in there and stuff like that. So really help the calving process through there, I guess.
Well, very important to protect our investment in these cattle as we look at some outstanding markets. That's going to do it for us from the Mate Show for now, but we'll have a lot more coverage for you. For the Northern Ag Network, I'm Coulter Brown.
We asked Montana farmer Walt Sales about the challenges of mental health in agriculture.
Another drought. There always is. There's always going to be another something. I grew up in a generation of you pulled yourself up by your bootstraps. But it's become evident is what do you do if you can't even find those bootstraps? If you need to talk to somebody, go to beyondtheweather.com for free counseling for Montana ag producers.
Hi everybody, coming back here with your Ag Report. We're in Billings here at the Mate Show. We're talking with a lot of producers. They're relieved to see some moisture. The open winter has created some concern about irrigation water for the summer, so glad to see some snow. Of course, anyone with livestock is real excited about this market. USDA had their Ag Outlook Forum and forecast record high cattle prices here in 2024. For the grain market, different story. They're talking growing supplies and lower prices. They forecast ending wheat stocks up 17% and the average wheat price for the year at $6. Now, as we look at how the futures closed yesterday, the cattle were able to battle back after moving lower from the bearish inflation numbers. They were mixed to mostly higher on Thursday. Cash cattle trade steady to 2 lower this week, but starting to creep back a little bit. Most of the live sales in that 178 to 182 money. Dress deals 285 to 289. The feeder market stayed steady in Torrington this week. 5-weight steers from 320 to 345. Light 6-weights 306 to 316. 7 to 7.5 weight steers 262 to 273. And those 5-weight heifers from 297 to 319. A light test of finished lambs in Sioux Falls from 192 to 219. Coal ewes selling all the way up to 125 though. And new lows across the board in the crop futures with that USDA outlook weighing heavily on the market. Wheat just unable to find a bottom right now with March spring wheat at 658, winter wheat at 575, and another new low for corn at 417. That's going to do it for this morning's Ag Report. Have a great Friday.